Thank you for the ice cream. Okay, enough na, enough.
So
No more?
No, you eat first. This is the ice cream. So
Ay, yeah. Mmm. Yummy. Thank you. This is yogurt ice cream. If you have mango juice, then you can make this. Can we add some to make new one? Enough or more?
Okay.
Do you think it will make ice?
Yeah.